Hey there, Chris Bassett here, and I'll be going over a step-by-step plan to handle misdelivered FedEx packages safely and legally. Let's get into it. Step number 1, do not open it. Tampering with someone else's mail or package is a federal offense in the U.S., and similar laws apply elsewhere. Leave it sealed. Number 2, check the label carefully. Determine whether it's yours or not. Wrong name, address, or both. Note the tracking number, usually on the label or air bill, and look for a return address or sender name. Contact FedEx immediately. Call FedEx customer service at 1-800-463-3339. 1-800-GO-FedEx. Have the tracking number ready. Tell them I've received a package that isn't mine and give them the tracking number. Or you can use the FedEx website. I'll put the link down in the description of the video. All right, so here I am over at FedEx.com. Just go ahead and choose support, customer support, and then you can go ahead and type in a question. So I did ask it. I said, I received the wrong package. How do I return it? And then it'll ask you the tracking number, so go ahead and enter that. All right, so you'll need to give the virtual assistant your name, address, phone number, email, and then they can finally come pick it up. They'll give you a note. They'll email you. You want to keep the package in a secure location until they come pick it up. So they'll usually arrange a free pickup in 1 to 2 business days. If FedEx asks you to hold it or drop it off, hold it in a safe place, unopened, until pickup. The drop-off option, they may give you a nearby FedEx location, like an office, Dropbox, Walgreens, etc. Bring the unopened package and tracking number. If it's been over a week with no contact, write refused, not at this address on the package. Make sure you don't cover the barcode. And then hand it to your mail carrier, drop it into a FedEx box, or take it into the FedEx office store. There are special cases, so if it's perishable or hazardous, call FedEx immediately. Do not wait. If it's suspicious, so it's like leaking or ticking, call 911 and FedEx, and then do not touch it. High value or from a retailer package, Amazon, etc., the sender may contact you but still report it to FedEx. So here's a quick summary table. The situation: if it's just arrived with the wrong name, call FedEx, arrange a pickup. We did it online. No response after 3 to 5 days. Write refused and then drop it at a FedEx location. If it looks damaged or dangerous, call 911 and FedEx immediately. If it's your neighbor's package, just leave it at the front door. I've also done that before. It was dropped to the wrong address. I just walked it over to their porch, stuck it in their porch. You are not responsible for the contents. Just report it and let FedEx handle the rest. Hopefully this video was helpful. Any questions or comments, put down below, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Later.